Welcome! In front of me I have a Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this Smart Band. First we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it. Here, find the option called battery and tap on it. And as you can see right here, we have the option called battery saver and we have a switch next to it. To enable the power saving mode, simply tap on the switch next to battery saver, tap on the check mark, and the power saving mode will be enabled. That's how it looks like. Basically, you have access to time and date, and that's about it. And to turn off the battery saver power saving mode, simply wake up the screen and then press and hold on it. And keep holding it on it. Let's try again, like this, and keep holding. It should be working. So basically it says press and hold. So I don't know why it's not, but oh, okay, so when this message appears, press and hold, you need to press and hold on the screen, and then you can wait until it turns off. Okay, so that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.